What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Guys, I'm going to take you in the 2018 photos that I did with my family on Christmas Day. So, this is where we exchange gifts, and later we're going to have dinner with friends and family and enjoy 2018. So this was our 2018 Christmas Day looks like, with family and friends. That's how it's supposed to be, having fun and enjoy life. So these are my kids and my cousin and my husband, my family, my friends. We had a blast. So I am going to take you in 2019. Up next, you will see 2019. Okay guys, so let's take you into 2019. So these are my photos from 2019 Christmas Day with my family. And later we're going to have dinner with friends. So these are 2019 photos of Christmas Day. So as you can see, Christmas Day I did cake and ham, and I have more gifts than what I have 2019. So that was an extra Christmas for us as a family. Yeah, we share a lot of gifts on that day. So now it's 2020. So 2020, because of the pandemic, it's not gonna be that exciting because a lot of things have cut, money have cut. We haven't been working the way we used to, so 2019 is not that exciting for us right now, but hopefully 2021 will be much better. So I hope you enjoy these photos of me, my kids, my husband, families, and friends. Later, these are my in-laws. They're awesome. Love them. My son and daughters, my husband. So, and these are families and friends. To see all the gift box. Yes, so this is my gift. One of my gifts. Enjoy, guys.